Hello everyone. Welcome to your GK class of class 4th. I hope you all will be fine. Students, in our previous video, we have completed lessons that are given on page number 34 and 35. Today in this video, we will complete page number 36 and also test paper 1. Okay, so let's begin our class. Page number 36, show stars. Here are some popular faces from the world of entertainment. You have to identify them. So first one is known as the showman of Indian cinema. Answer is Raj Kapoor. Okay, it is written here. You can see the spelling from here. Raj Kapoor. Second, he was the lead actor in the iconic film Titanic. Answer is Leonardo DiCaprio. Okay, you can see from here Leonardo DiCaprio. Third one, she is the highest paid American actress. Answer is Angelina Jolie. ANGELINA JOLIE. Okay. Fourth one is an Indian TV actress turned politician. Answer is Smriti Irani. SMRITIIRANI. Okay, you can see the spelling from here. Now, fifth one, an Indian actor who started his acting career from a TV serial Fauji. Answer is Shah Rukh Khan. SHARUKHKHAN. Shah Rukh Khan. Okay. Sixth one, a popular Canadian singer and songwriter. Answer is Justin Bieber. JUSTINBIEBER. Okay, so this was a lesson given on page number 36. Now we will do test paper 1. Test paper 1. Question number 1. Answer the following questions in one word. First one is, once you check in at the airline desk, what should you collect to board the flight? Answer is boarding pass. BOARDING pass. Okay. Second one is, what do you call a long sea wave caused by an underwater earthquake? Answer is tsunami. 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 Third one, a black and white bird that cannot fly but swims very well. Answer, penguin. PENGUIN. Fourth one, another name for a junk email. Answer is spam mail. SPAMMAIL. Fifth one, Ahmedabad stands on the banks of which river? Answer is Sabarmati. SABARMATI. Question number 2. Identify the following pictures. You have to identify these pictures. First one is Mantaray, MANTARAY. Second one is tornado, TORNADO. Third one is toucan bird, TOUCANBIRD bird. Fourth one is YURI gangrene, GAGARIN. Okay. Now, third question. Write true and false for against each of the statement. First one is avalanches are violent rotating winds which looks like funnels. So this is false. Second one, a flamingo pecks holes in trees. False. Third, checking out websites on the internet is also called surfing. This is true. Okay, third one is true. Fourth one, a cat was the first animal to be launched in space. False. Fourth one, false. Fifth one, the city of Kolkata is situated on the banks of the river Hooghly. This is true. Fifth one. Sixth one is the heart is made up of cardiac muscles. This is also true. And seventh is 2 holes in your nose is called larynx. This is false. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. Question number 4. First one is Arctic birds dash from the North Pole to the South Pole. Answer is migrate. M-I-G-R-A-T-E. Migrate. Okay. Second one is the dash are bones around our chest that protect organs such as the heart and the lungs. Answer is ribs. R-I-B-S. Third one is the river Ganga has its source in the dash glacier in the Himalayas. Answer is Gangotri. G-A-N-G-O-T-R-I. Gangotri. Okay. Fourth one is Dennis Tito was the first space dash in the world. Answer is tourist. T-O-U-R-I-S-T. Okay. Next one is the largest joint in the human body is the dash. Answer is knee. K-N-E-E. Sixth one. Dash rabbits grow white fur in winters to hide in the snow. Answer is snowshoe. S-N-O-W-S-H-O-E. Seventh, the human heart and has dash chambers. Answer is 4. 4 chambers. Okay. So this was your test paper 1. This is also completed. You have to complete this work in your book, and also you have to learn, and then you have to write in your notebook, okay, as revision. This is all for today. Next test paper we will complete in our next video. Thank you.